So ayun, ito naman tayo, meron tayo rito. Ayan, ito yung Hero X Falls 200. Ayan. So walk around natin to saglit para at least mabigyan ko kayo ng quick walk around para dito sa motorcycle na to. Okay? So,
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit, I'm gonna stay there.
so kung naghahanap kayo ng mga pang off-road, pwede ang isang to, lalo na sa lugar natin dito na sobrang malubak talaga. Pwede ang isang to. So ayan, pakita natin dito. Meron tayong windshield. Napaka-clear naman ng windshield niya. Maganda yung kanyang headlight, is naka-LED rin. May projected bulb din tayo rito. Meron din tayo rito signal light, pero hindi siya naka-flexible, pero fixed naman siya. And then meron tayo rito bulb type. Ayan. So maganda yung kanyang itsura rito. And then napakahaba ng kanyang front fender, flexible. Yung extension niya nandito. Ayan. So naka-telescopic port. Meron tayong reflector. Meron tayo rito single disc brake. Naka-ABS nga rin pala ang isang to. Then dual pad caliper. Ang size niya rito sa harap ay 90 by 90 by 21. Ayan. Maganda rin yung kanyang tires. Pang off-road talaga. Grabe talaga, boy. So naka-oil cooled din ang isang to. Ayun, nandun sa gilid na yan. And then meron din siyang bracket dito. Parang crash guard na din. Pwede na rin tayo maglagay dito ng mini driving light. Ayan. So mayroon din siyang skid plate. Ayan, para in case na pang trail natin to. Pag pinang-trail natin siya, secure na secure yung ating tambucho at yung ating makina dito sa likod or sa ilalim. Bakal naman yan. Napakaganda ng bakal niya. So, ayan, meron tayo ritong malaking gas tank. Meron tayong tank pad. Parang pang big bike yung ating datingan ng ating tank. Okay, yan. Meron tayong comfort dito. Ganda ng decals niya, no? Simple lang, tapos minimalist lang din siya. Meron tayo ritong, ayan, yung panel gauge niya, yung kanyang digital panel na panel gauge. Ayan, meron tayong ABS, neutral, pag naka-hazard pala tayo rito. Ayan, fuel gauge, engine check, and then meron tayo ritong speedometer, odo, ayan, odometer niya, then trip, ayan, meron siya rito sa gilid. Ayan, meron tayong select and mode, ayan, yung kanyang susi, simple lang din, pati ignition. And then meron tayo ritong USB charging port. Ayan, ready na yan para sa mga gadgets natin. Ayan, so yung kanyang handlebar is naka-upright position. Grabe yung comfort nito, ang ganda. So maganda yung paint job, yung kanyang mga switches. Maganda yung mga switches na ginagamit niya, no? Ni Hero. Ayan, electric starter, tapos kill switch dito sa side. And then yung ating lever, meron tayo ritong guard, oh. Ayan, lever guard. Ayan, maganda rin. Yung ating grip, payat lang siya pero makapit siya. Kaya throttle napakababaw lang. Ayan. Sa side naman, doon naman sa side, meron tayo ritong high and low. Ayan, high and low, clutch, passing light, high and low, signal light, busina. Ayan. So dito naman sa ating upuan, malapad yung ating upuan. Tapos naka-two-tone naman tayo rito, kulay gray and black. Ayan, tapos yung ating grab bar. And then ganda rin ito. Pwede tayo siguro dito nakaabang na pang top box siguro. Tapos solid din yung ating grab bar dito. Tambucho, ganda ng tambucho. Nakataas naman yan, kaya kahit nasa baha, hindi tayo mamamatayan, diba? Tapos meron din siyang cover. Ganda ng kanyang tambucho, ang haba din yan, hanggang dun. Kahit di ka na magpalit. Kickstart, meron din tayong kickstart. Meron tayong Hero dito na ka-imbose, yung ating rear brake pedal, foot pegs. Ganda ng foot pegs, no? Combination ng rubber and metal. Meron din tayong monoshock na adjustable. Naka-single disc brake tayo rito. Nissin naman yan. And then yung kanyang swing arm, maganda rin. So naka-wide spoke tayo dito, harap at likod. Ang size naman dito sa likod ay 120/80 by 18. Ayan. So taillight niya is LED rin. Yung kanyang signal light dito ay bulb type. Andyan. Meron tayong plate light, reflector, and then lagay ng plate. Ayan. So, dito rin sa likod, meron tayo, or sa side, meron tayo rito ang chain cover. Ang laki din ng sprocket size na ito. Ayan. Kita nyo naman yan, di ba? Ang ganda. So, ayan yung kabuuan niya. Kaya meron tayo rito. Naka single head shifter din pala tayo rito. Ganda, ganda. Medyo maingay lang talaga sa lugar kahit kasi nga nandito tayo sa event. Pero ayan, sinaga natin to. So, maraming salamat dito sa Hero Philippines para sa mga motorcycle na meron sila available dito. Okay?
Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you could do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you could do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you